What is going on? What is going on, everybody, man? I am Holly Mays, man, with Option Nerds Podcast. Listen, guys, we do option everything here, man. We try to make it happen. Uh, just having pre-market talk this morning, guys. Uh, Man, I'm so glad that you guys are here this morning, man. I think today is going to make some people a lot of money. Real talk. It's going to put you in a position to do a lot of things you want to do. I'm just looking at the market. We're going to talk about it. Do me a favor before we do anything, guys. Make sure you go check out Appointed Apparel Clothing on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook, man. We got a lot of things getting ready to pop out, guys. Plus, we got some good words. We got some good words as well, guys. So make sure you go check us out on social media. Also, make sure you go to appointedapparelclothing.com, man. Hey, man, you can get products like this, man. I'm telling you, man, we're on a different level. We're the best kept secret, guys. Y'all don't know it, guys. Y'all stay tuned, okay? Those of you that are just now joining us, those who do not know, listen, okay? We are not financial advisors. We're not financial planners, okay? Please do your own research, your own due diligence, okay? I'm telling you. We're just like a book, almanac, anything else, or the web. We're just information, okay? And however you use that information, hey, that's on you guys, okay? We are here for edutainment only. Edutainment and entertainment at the same time, all right? So please, man, take your time and do your research, all right? But guys, let's get right into it, man. What am I looking at in the market today? I'm still in a Tesla call from yesterday. I think I'm in let's go ahead and look at this. I forgot what the call was. Sorry. I think it's pretty close to the money. I think I'm in a 735 call. I'm in a 735 call. So right now Tesla is sitting at about 709, 710. Am I looking at it to do one of those jumps that they normally do in the morning? Of course I am. So right now it's pretty balanced. It's maintaining pretty good. We'll see what it does. But I'm not going to hold this at all. Okay, I'm not going to hold this at all. The minute I see a switch in tide, I'm going to get rid of that. Okay, so that's how I look at the Tesla. I put some Tesla plays on here, but again, guys, it's Friday and we're coming on a short week. All right, so don't underestimate the market, guys. Don't underestimate the market. Here's some plays that I'm actually looking at. I'm not going to go through all of them, guys. But y'all see some major ones on there that I really, really like. Of course, Neo, Tesla, FedEx, those guys. I'm really watching those today. And I'm talking about not only for today, but also going into next week. Because I'm looking at Tesla and people say, well, Holly, why are you so hard on Tesla? Well, why are you so on Tesla? Well, you have to understand something. Tesla was an $1,100 stock, all right? And they're getting ready to do a split. Right, don't forget that. Just like Shopify, the next week, okay, it's getting ready to do a split. All right, so you have to understand these things are coming. So watch this. If investors really want to make money, if stockholders want to really make money, they're going to drive the price up. Okay, they're going to drive the price up. Okay, just tell you. So when they split to get in, it's going to cost a little bit more money. All right. They're still in the business of making money. Now, that was just my theory, guys. I don't have no facts, none of that to go with that. That's just my theory from looking at it, right? So I'm looking at Tesla to get back to 800. Hey, hopefully by the end of the month. But I'm looking for it to get back to 800, even 900. I am, because that's really a close to evaluated price for Tesla. All right. That's a really good price from Tesla, from what I've seen. That's a really good price for Tesla. So I see what Elon Musk is doing. His mindset, his speech, his attitude is changing a little bit. All right, he's really trying to balance out both things. Okay, dealing with issues over in Asia and his production plants and all those things because of shipping. I get all of that. Okay, but he's really managing it very well. Okay. So I'm looking at Tesla to kind of rebound here, okay? All right, let me get off of this, guys. So just looking at some plays, guys. There we go. I'm trying to put my charts up before I start. I'm gonna work out a better system, y'all. I promise. I'm gonna get a better system on how to do all this stuff. Cause I have an idea how we're gonna get this done. All right, guys. So right now I'm looking at Kraft, okay? Kraft Heinz, guys. And right now, if you look at pre-market, it's about $37.83, somewhere around it. I think the buy is $37.95. But if you just look at where this thing is at, man, it looks like it's on the uptrend, okay? It really does. It looks like, okay. It looks like it's on its way up when the market opens. Okay, so I could see possibly getting ready to put in. However, go take a look at Kraft Heinz news. There's some Kellogg news in there. There's some things going on with a Kraft, concerning the deal on the Kraft Mondelez split. Just go check that out. Okay, go do your due diligence on that, and you'll kind of understand why we feel like these are some pretty good price points when it comes to Kraft Heinz. Again, guys, it's Friday. All right, I'm not gonna be in nothing like this that long anyway. But if I do get in a put and it drops down to 37.50, guys, once it gets to 37.25, and then there's a brief pullback, and then it goes down to breakthrough resistance. What will happen is I'll probably get in this and I'll ride this down to 37. Okay. I'll ride this down to 37, possibly 36.90. If it's really flowing and it's really going, I mean, I ain't gonna stop it, but possibly get to like maybe a 36.80. All right. If I'm doing a put, if it's a call and I'm getting in at 38.05, that's pretty good steam for this stock. So I'm probably gonna get in that thing again. I'm gonna wait for a pullback, and then it's going to go ahead and release through resistance. So I'll probably get in that at about 38.10 rather than the 38.05 you see. But if you get in at 38.10 and it's on its way down, then be careful with that. But if it's on its way up, then that's what I'm talking about. Okay, and then I'll probably ride it up to maybe 38.50. 38.60 maybe. Okay. And that's keeping in perspective with the $50 a day challenge we're getting ready to start. All right. I know some investors probably like, no, man, that thing may go to 39. It may. But for a new investor, you just need to get, 5%, 10%. You just need to get a little taste of success. So again, if you get in at 38.05, I'm gonna ride it till about 38.50, 38.60. If you get in at 37.50, I'm going to ride it back down to maybe 36.80. Okay, there's going to be levels to it. Okay, it's going to be at 37. 37, 36.90, then 36.80. Those are going to probably be the levels that I would probably be on. Okay, guys, Tesla. Looking at Tesla. Again, I think Tesla is going to go up. However, if Tesla comes in and it surpasses 710.50, I may change that actually. I'm looking at it now. I may change that. Yeah, I may change that. I don't know. Let me see. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, I could say that. It would probably be different now, but I could say that now because of pre-market. So I possibly could say get in Tesla if it's over 710.50. Okay. I can't. However, in pre-market it's at 711. All right. So, when the market opens, it may do a pullback. Okay. So, but I think your pullback will only get to about 17.50, possibly 17.10, 7.10, the way Tesla be ticking. So it's very volatile. So when Tesla don't just lose 50 cents, it lose $1, $1.25, $3. Tesla tick like that. So, be very careful with that. Obviously, if it dips down to about 7.05, I'm trying to be a little bit more cautious here. I would, because I understand the volatility of Tesla. I get it. $5 in Tesla is a good sum of money, but it's Tesla. It's Tesla, guys. A pullback in Tesla from 17.50 can actually be 705.90, and then it goes all the way up to 730. I mean, we've seen that. So that's not a crazy number. However, I would like to see it go down significantly before I start saying, okay, let me pull this and let me get a put or something like that. I because of the volatility and the bouncing habits of Tesla. Okay, so that's what I'm looking at. That NIO, guys. I like NIO. I've been saying this all week with NIO. NIO currently at about 23.37. I'm kicking myself in the butt because I actually could have kept this call that I had. I'd probably be up maybe $1,000 or something. But anyway, that's why I always put on here, take your profits. Don't ever second guess yourself. Take your profits. If you had profits of 25 or 100 or 10, hey, you live and learn. But hey, if you're unsure about the volatility of a stock and you're unsure about how that thing moves, hey, take your time, get out, reassess. You can do that. All right. But listen, NIO is coming in 23.36. Because NIO is not a Tesla, okay, and I'm not saying it to be disrespectful to NIO. What I'm saying is it's not I don't have to worry about these dramatic bounces and volatile swings from NIO. So the put to call ratio can be extremely small. You know what I'm saying? It can be real small. So the 23.10, I think it's really good because right now NIO is in the down. I'm sorry, the 23.10 is good, but 23.36 is right there in the middle. You want to see what NIO is going to do. You want to see if it's going to go up, because if it gets to 23.60, the way NIO ticks, that's a significant hike. So I wouldn't be surprised if that's a few percentage, 2 or 3%. I'm not sure. I haven't done the math on that, but just saying that's significantly high for NIO. So 23.60 before I put a call is really good because I know it's built some consistency on going over increase. 23.10, if it drop back down, same thing from where it is now. Okay, so pay attention to that, guys. Guys, let's go to the voice of reason thought of for the day. The voice of reason thought of the day. Did I have another one? No. Okay, cool. Listen, guys, do me a favor. Understand that it's Friday. All right, understand that it's Friday. All right, please understand that it's Friday. Okay, it's 2-day weekend, 3-day weekend. Investors, stockholders, the way the market is right now, bearish or bullish, whichever your sentiment is unstable and it's volatile as hell. So no one is taking the chance of keeping, especially a big stock like Tesla, Google, and no one's keeping that over the weekend. All right, you're just not. You may keep shares, but you're not keeping options. Okay, so guys, remember, sometime during this day, you're going to get a put. Result. You're going to get a put result, but the stocks are going to be going down. All right. So I'm saying that because guess what? You may get a huge pop in the morning. That's why I was saying about Tesla. You may get a huge pop in the morning because guess what? People are going to sell at certain stocks high. All right. So remember, guys, it's Friday. It's Friday. Do not say, oh, well, Monday wasn't here. You got this little algorithm for how, the market is. No, it's going to be a sell-off today. All right. When stocks get up as high as they're going to get, at least I looking at it and looking at I think it's going to be a sell-off today. All right. So look for a good pop in the morning. I think the futures, I mean, what they got the futures up right now? They don't. Hold on. I can look at the futures. So looking at the futures, the NASDAQ is up 95.75, S&P 28, and the Dow Jones at 204. Listen, guys, I'm not saying it's not going to drop. What I'm telling you is you may get a good pop because everything is coming in hot. It's coming in up, okay? Not up high as we've seen it, but it's coming up, okay? The VIX, I'm looking at it right now. Hold on. And I'm using Tesla as an example. The VIX is down in the pre-market 0.27, okay, which is almost 1%. The VIX is at 28.78. The VIX can, if the VIX can get down to 27 to 27.50 or below, okay, guys, everything's going to skyrocket, okay. However, if it gets up to 30 or 20, yeah, I'll go 30. If it gets to 30, you can kiss it goodbye. Everything's gonna dip. So watch the VIX as well, guys. Watch the VIX, but guys, understand it's Friday, okay? The next one is what I just said. Up will come down. All right, it just will. So if you're trying to really gauge it, Friday is really good because guess what? There's going to be an up and there's going to be down. If you look over the past couple of days, there's been multiple opportunities to make a lot of money on puts and calls. It just really has. So if you have a lot of equity in what you're doing, and you want to go a route to where you're making a significant amount of money, get in Tesla, and you can get in Tesla for $150 and still make $500, $600, $700. I'm just being honest with you. The volatility of Tesla, it's nothing for Tesla to go up $30. Okay, it's nothing to go up $30, and mostly if you're getting it within the week that contract expire, it's reasonable between $100 to $200. It just really is. So that's a great tool, guys, to know, especially when it comes to Tesla. Tesla's going to be on its way up, guys. All right, take profits, guys. Please take profits. I don't care what's going on. Take profits. Okay. Hey, I am guilty of holding on too long. We all are. I don't care who you are. Chris said it about, I think, I forgot what it said, AMC. AMC, I think it was one of them. But it was one of the stars. He said, hey, I just held it too long. Now I got to wait for that thing to come back. That's not a negative thing. In options, it can be if you're not patient and don't understand the market and the volatility of the market or the play that you're in. All right. So that's why I always tell people, even in my options class, guys, if you're gonna save money for something, try to save your money for a Tesla stock. Okay, and be able to have enough money to put that thing out 2 weeks. You know what I'm saying? That if you hit that thing right in the right spot, like if Tesla's at 700 on a Friday, okay, and it was on a Monday, last Monday it was at 670, and that thing is up $30. Listen to me. Get you a call for 2 weeks, and it could be $100. It could be $100 out of the month. It could be $100 out of the month. You made $200-$300, but I promise you, if you hold that, you'll earn a paycheck in your week. All right. Listen, guys. Let me get to that. Pick 1 to 3 plays. Please don't overdo it today. If you're in a play right now, just see what it's gonna do. Especially if you're in a call, just see what it's gonna do. All right. Don't try to do this day trading thing today. All right. Don't do it now. You can do a call and a put because it's probably what's going to happen. And yes, I would day trade because I'm not going to stay in a put and I'm not going to stay in a call, obviously. However, guys, that multiple day trading throughout it's going to be hard, guys. It's going to be hard. So I'm saying that because I'm in Tesla. So I expect Tesla to go. Let me see what Tesla is right now. Hold on. I expect Tesla to go to 725 this morning, and then dip back down to 685. I'm just, that's what I expect it to do. Okay, or vice versa. So, but anyway, guys, that's it for me, guys. Enjoyed talking with you guys, man. I pray it was information you could use. Y'all continue, man, to pray for this channel. More than anything, man, go to the YouTube channel. Hit subscribe on it. I don't get all this algorithm stuff, man. I get it. I'm trying to learn it, guys. But anyway, man, if you know this is something that somebody could use, man, please get it to them. I promise you, man, it's all love, man, and we just want to make sure that everybody gets the same opportunity, man. I don't know your position. I don't know your pockets. But what I do know is both of them can change if you can get this thing down. You know what I mean? So, anyway, guys, I'm getting out of here, man. I love you guys. To love the Lord. Remember to uplift Christ wherever you go. And do me a favor, guys. Make the rest of your day the best of your day, man. I'm out of here, guys. Peace.